Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Now welcome to another lecture. In this lecture we are particularly discussing the summary of the part 1. So dear student, in previous lectures we have discussed all the important characters, life and work, and the summary of the part 2 1, and now in this lecture we will discuss and analyze the summary of the part 2. Actually, the summary of the part 1 part 2 begins with Christian's wife, Christina, and she is the protagonist of this part 2, and her conversion experience, which include a divine dream and the messenger from heaven. Actually, she sees a dream that her husband Christian is living a very peaceful and very happy life into the heaven, and he is in the company of the heavenly host. So he sent a messenger to him that he is calling you, that he is saying that you have also came here to join me into the celestially, into the city where he is living. So then she decided to move, to take the footstep and to follow the footsteps of her husband, and to reach into the celestial city. She and her 4 sons and her pious young neighbor Mercy set out a pilgrim following in Christian's footsteps. Now they are following the footsteps of Christians to reach in Celestial City. Then they start their journey, and then they reach into the interpreter's house. They are meet with the guide whose name is Mr. Greatheart, who will lead them on their journey. So when they reach into the interpreter's house, then there is another character appear in this story, that's Mr. Greatheart, who help him, who guide him in throughout their journey. The pilgrims arrive soon after the beautiful place where they stay and study for quite some time. As they leave the interpreter's house, they enter into the place beautiful, and in the place beautiful there was a library. So they read the holy scripture there. Sometime they study and they read the gospel there sometime. And in the place beautiful, Matthew gets sick from eating the devil's fruit, but soon recovered. Actually Matthew steal a fruit from the garden of the Beelzebub, so he was sick. So on that time another character, Mr. Skill, appeared and who recovered Matthew from this illness. Then they start their journey again. Then the Greatheart is there throughout their journey to protect them. They pass through the valley of humiliation and the valley of shadow of death without any accident. As the Christian face the problems and challenges, they are not facing the same problem, because the second part is just a simple transformation from the spiritual part to the celestial city. The pilgrims meet Honesty along the road and joins their band. Honesty also pilgrims who join them on their way. Pilgrims arrive in Vanity. They stay with one of the few good men in town, Mr. Manson, and set off again without incident. Actually, Mr. Manson was the innkeeper into the city of Vanity Fair. So he was a good person who helped them, and he is only person where these all pilgrims stay in their inn, and he helped them. He said food for them, and he said their journey, and he also sometimes company with them on the holy journey. And then they leave this Vanity Fair. They enter into the Delectable Mountains, where the shepherds prepare them for the final stage of their journey. So again, as the Christian reached this Delectable Mountain, he met with the 4 different shepherds. So same shepherds were there, so they helped them and they guide them for their holy journey. Then the Christina is summoned the first, and followed by the rest of men. They pick up along the way. Now the Christina lead the whole crew of these pilgrims. She is the leader of the pilgrims, and the rest of the people follow him. When they have entered successfully into the city of Zion, the boys Christian and Christina's son and their wife decide to stay behind the grow the church on earth. So this is the last point, and this is the final destination of the Christina and the entire group. Now when they enter into the city of the Zion, so now they are waiting for the church. They say, Christina, Christina, Son, Mercy, uh, honesty, these all people are stay here, that we are waiting for here to grow the church on this earth. As the church will grow here, as the church will build up here, so we will continue our journey. So this is the last point, and here the part 2's end, and we don't know whether these people reached into the celestial city or not, but they are here, but they are all waiting here for the church. So this is the end of the part 2. So this is the very important conclusion point here, is that why they are waiting for there, because there was a rift and controversy between the Catholicism and the Protestantism. So these people are the people who are waiting for the Protestant church. As the Protestant church was will build up here, will construct here, then they will start their journey toward the celestial city. So this is the end of the part.